Hello wine lovers, this is a wine from quite unusual origin to most of you. This comes from Namibia and Kristall Kellerei producer, and this particular one is based on the Colombard. It's a blend with predominantly the southern French variety of Colombard from 2015. These vineyards are situated in an area where you do have you can have really cold winters and frost, but also very hot and dry summers, and this variety thrives here amongst others. And this is an expression which is not so aromatic. It's more really a wine based on its structure. We do get some hints of fresh citrus with hints of butter. And the palate is bone dry, quite powerful and grippy on the palate, with some zesty notes, hints of lemon peel, controlled bitterness, and quite long finish, and a very interesting example from a part of the world we don't really know for wine.